Let's talk about the professional cleaning industry. We all expect the public spaces in which we work, eat, meet and travel through to be clean and safe. These expectations are met thanks to the work of the professional cleaning products industry. We explained this with 3 examples. You meet, and that's where clean floors are important. Floor care includes cleaning and maintenance. For this, there is a range of products available for the different floor surfaces such as carpet, wood, tiles, marble and rubber. These products are made and used by our industry. They include polishes, restoratives and products that protect and restore surfaces in public buildings. You eat, and that involves a safe food chain. Food processing industries have to comply with strict hygiene regulations to ensure the safety of the food chain, and thus consumers. Contamination by harmful viruses or bacteria is avoided by the correct application of cleaning and disinfection products. These products are designed according to strict European food safety standards, protocols and management systems. You live, and when something happens to you, healthcare is safe and hygienic. Disinfection plays a crucial role in ensuring patient safety. This ranges from cleaning patients' rooms to disinfecting medical equipment and washing surgical gowns and hospital linen. Ensuring the safety of patients and medical staff is an extremely complex and important task. Our industry is a key player for good hygiene, with sustainability at the forefront. Lower environmental impact comes from optimal use of resources and less water, packaging and transportation. Products have been getting more concentrated for years, making packaging smaller. Innovative dispensing systems means controlled, safer use of the product and prevents overdosing. In short, professional cleaning ensures a clean, safe and sustainable living environment. This video is brought to you by the European Cleaning and Hygiene Products Industry, a network of over 900 companies.